Are you wondering how to keep your solar panels in optimal condition? Using the wrong cleaning methods can damage them, lower their efficiency, and potentially can cost you money and of course energy. In the next 45 seconds, I'll give you some tips to keep your solar panels in great condition. And by the end, you'll know exactly what to do to keep them running smoothly. First, got to avoid using abrasive materials like steel wool or harsh cleaners on your panels. Instead, use soap, warm water, and a soft sponge to gently clean them. When it comes to snow, let the gravity and the sunlight do the work. Your panels will still generate electricity even under a few inches of snow. To avoid issues with critters, you could install a critter guard and do a visual inspection occasionally to make sure your panels are clean and efficient. Remember though, solar panels are built to last over 30 years with minimal maintenance, so you don't really have to worry about it that much. But if you still want a little bit more in-depth tips, you could check out the National Renewable Energy Lab's guide, which I'll link it down in the comments. If you have any more questions, drop them in the comments, or you could just message me directly. And don't forget to share this video.